It's 8 a.m. Christmas morning 2023. Well, I checked the weather. It's 37 degrees. Not bad at all. I only have 67 miles to kick out today. And 37-degree weather, it's sucks. But no biggie. Anyways, here we go. Yeah, it's Christmas, and AMX wants to say Merry Christmas. It's actually Christmas Day. Maybe I should have made this video and then released it today. But here's the deal. I'm gearing up for a ride. It's a little cold out. So I'm sharing this shit with you. And I'm saying Merry Christmas. So, anyways, Merry Christmas. And remember, yesterday was Lemmy's birthday.
So this is basically seriously what you do when you're a smoker and you're riding in 32-degree weather and it's windy. And yeah, Oklahoma. Anyways, it's happening. Yeah, it's like a cool little car wash thing in the tiniest town, really. Boynton, Oklahoma. So it's a pretty badass town. I wonder if I can switch this. Anyways, you know what? You know you're in Oklahoma when no cattles or horse trailers. Oklahoma.
Merry Christmas and happy birthday, Lemmy, from AMX.